You gotta record this and send it on Facebook.
Zeke.
Hey, Zeke boy. Off the air mattress.
Zeke.
Zeke, come on. Off the air mattress. Good boy. He's really gotta stay off that thing, otherwise he can puncture a hole in it. I don't think that went too bad. Hey, off the air mattress. What'd I say? Whoa!
Shh.
Little butt screws are so cute.
Inside voice. No. Gotta be quiet.
Not again.
You gotta be quiet, okay? You gotta be quiet.
Come here. Come here. Off the air mattress.
Feed himself a little on your mattress there.
Oh!
It's right there.
Ah, Zeke. That's nasty.